Are you still working with paper records? Is your archive extremely cluttered? Do you waste too much time searching your paper archive for the correct documents? Would you prefer to be able to easily search all your documents in a digital database, thus reducing your workload? If this sounds familiar, we have the solution for you. An online archive. You'll no longer need a paper archive with the use of Databook Logbook because everything is recorded digitally. We'll explain the simplicity and convenience of this system to you. Imagine you're working on a construction site. When the work's done, you need to register it. Before, you'd need a pen and paper, but now you can do it more efficiently. The work you've performed can now be easily recorded. First, the data is entered into the system. Once the data's entered correctly, you'll need to print a QR sticker. The QR sticker can then be affixed to the completed work. Through the system, all of your data is now digitally available. For example, when a repair's been carried out, you can easily put this data into the system. The labels can be scanned using your mobile phone or tablet. If a mistake's made during the data entry, changes can be easily made. So when you're using the Databook Logbook system, you have a digital overview of all activities. You can add or change information quickly and easily. You have access to a QR system, and you can use the logbook made by Databook both online and offline. Databook offers 3 packages for you to choose, namely the Light package, the Standard package, and the Premium package. Are you curious about the system? If you have any unanswered questions, please feel free to watch our tutorial. We'll be happy to demonstrate the different packages to you. Scan the QR code to go directly to our website. You can also contact us through the options below.